Hello guys, how are you? So warm welcome to our channel and also little family freecourses.com. And today's video is very important guys. Please stay at the end. Okay? So let's start it. Okay. So our first one is the start learning today most in demandable skills for free. If you all of are known that nowadays Udemy courses are not free. If you get it free but after 2 to 3 minutes it will become paid. Okay, so that's why after searching many websites and I am sorted a course which is providing by the Simply Learn. I hope you all of are heard about this name, the Simply Learn platform. If you go to the YouTube and search for the Simply Learn, there is a YouTube channel for her, and they uploaded lot of important and videos. Okay, mainly in IT and software related field. Okay, so this Simply Learn platform is organized a skill up, okay, a skill up platform. In this skill up, which is mainly a subsidiary platform of Simply Learn. Okay, so if you complete these courses, so in this platform if you scroll down, you see here there will be a lot of courses: the data science, business analytics, cyber security, AI, machine learning, software development, digital marketing, DevOps, cloud computing, big data, project management, agile and scrum, quality management, business and leadership, and IT service and agriculture. Okay, so all of the courses are very premium courses guys and very high demanded for future. Okay, today is obvious but in future they in these courses are going to boom. Okay, if you done these courses, it is I am assured that you will get a good job with a good package. Okay, so let's coming to the data science and business analytics. I hope you all of are heard about this name, that data science and business analytics, which is mainly is related to data. Okay, I'm does not going to the deep. If I going to the deep, so the video is very lengthy. Okay, so cybersecurity, if you interested in any of this domain, okay, you go any of this domain, okay, and enroll for it. Okay, so it is totally free of cost, guys. Here, if you see here, it is a free. 7 lakh students are already enrolled for it. 4 lakh students are already enrolled for this. I hope you, from this enrollment, you will be correlate that how much important it will be. Okay, and obviously some new courses are launched. If you see here, newly launched. Okay, so go to this platform and doing this course, and this certificate will be verified by this all of these big tech giants. Okay, if you get the certificate, if you going to applying these tech giant companies or MNCs, okay, your certificate will be varied. Okay, okay, so that's it. So let's go into the next, which is the free Bitcoin blockchain. Understand the who of these beginners. So blockchain is the currently booming. Many of the investors are investing their money in the blockchain and return a huge amount of money. Okay, so if you are looking for a good tutorial that what is the blockchain and how it is working, what is the internal implementation of it, so in this course is very important for you. Okay, so in this course they will teach you every internal details and related the technical concepts, okay, in the blockchain. Okay, this course is totally free. Okay, so that's why I'm touching it for you. Okay, so you does not get a certificate, but that does not require for you. You get only the knowledge, which is important. Yeah, certificate is also important, but knowledge is most important. Okay, so going to the next one. Next one is the Java. Okay, most of our will learn Java. Okay, most in nowadays Java developer in high demand. Okay, if you a Java developer, so you easily get a job with 6 to 7 lakh LPA. Okay, so Java socket programming simplifier. So which is the server side programming. Java is Java. I hope you all of are heard about this name, which is the Spring Boot. Spring Boot is a backend framework of Java. Okay, so you must learn with a server side application developer and aspirants. Okay, socket programming simplifier is one of the part of this server side. Means nothing but the backend side. Server means database. Okay, you mainly working with this database. How you can uh, efficiently use the database. Okay, backend part of this backend side. Okay, I hope you know. Okay, so it is the 1 hour 47 minute on demand video, totally free of cost. Okay, so those who are going to a Java developer or going to this domain, please enroll this course. Okay. Okay. So next is the web application technologies and Django. Okay. So Django is another framework of Python. Okay, which is used in backend. Okay, which is the Python framework, and which is the brief widely used framework. Okay, so the first course of Django for everybody explores the basic structure of the web application and how the web browser interact with web servers. This course is the Hypertext Transfer Protocol HTTP, an introduction to HTML along with the overall structure of the Django. So that is the Django. I'm saying that Django is the backend framework of Python. So okay, so this is another high demandable course. Okay, most of the companies are use Django for their backend. Okay, so estimate 5 weeks, 2 to 4 hour per week, self-paced course, totally free of cost. You also get a certificate from them. Okay, so here is the enroll button. Go after watching my video, go to that course. Anyone, if you a Java developer going for the Spring Boot, if you Java developer, not if you are a love Java, or if you become a Java developer going to this free Java tutorial program, simplified socket programming mainly, and if you are a love Python, so going for Django, web application technologies with Django. Okay. So the next one is the coming, which is the e-learn marks present advanced Excel online tutorial. Okay, I know it is a paid, but I am giving you a coupon code. Okay, if you, after enroll taking this course, if you give this coupon code, it will be valid for you. Okay, valid 3 years. Excel and MS Office, totally in English language, difficulty basic. Obviously, it is mainly designed for the students who are does not no idea, does not any idea about this. What is the MS Excel and how it is working? Okay, instructor is the content academy. Okay, so it is the preview online exam. Obviously, you giving an exam. After giving the exam, you will be get that. Okay, so it is a good. I think it is a good. Okay, if you get the exam, you will be judging that how much I will prepare. Okay, so how much knowledge I will gain from this course? How much knowledge I will gain from this course? Okay, so the pro tip is coming. Okay, so again I am telling you guys, it is a tip. So I hope you all of have heard about this, that MacBook Air M1. Okay, so if you are a college student, okay, so go MacBook website, means Apple website, and if you buy the MacBook now a times, you will get MacBook less than 70,000. Okay, so again I'm telling you, those who are bare MacBook, I mean that those who are enough money to buy MacBook, go. Okay, so if you heard what is my opinion, yeah, if you have money to purchase it, if you have enough money that yeah, I have a money that I have a 70,000, 80,000 money to spend to buy a MacBook or a laptop, so yeah, it is the best option for you. Okay, so that's it. Okay, because it is the limited time offer, guys. If you go to the Apple website, you get MacBook less than 70,000. You also get a iPod, which is the cost of 10,000. Okay, so it is a very limited time course, limited time offer, guys. Go and check out in the Apple platform, or to where he sell that. Okay, so that's it for. So thank you to watching my video. And again, important thing, guys, please subscribe the channel and please hit the like button. Okay. So if you like that video, it will make more motivated to make more videos upload every day. Okay. So thank you.